Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Italian with Bucola. In today's video, we will be learning the Italian present continuous tense, I gerundi, the gerunds. But before we continue this video, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell so that you can be notified anytime we post a new video. The Italian present continuous tense is made with present tense of stare and the gerund of the verb. The gerund is a verb that ends in and for verbs ending with are, or endo for verbs ending in ere and ire. It is the same thing as the ing form of the verb in English. For example, talking, playing, riding, writing. Let's look at some examples. The verb cercare. This verb ends with are. Cercare means to find, to search, to look for. So, the gerund ends with ando. Io sto cercando le mie chiavi. I am looking for my keys. Another example is parlare, to speak, to talk. The gerund will also end in ando. It becomes parlando. Stiamo parlando a telefono. We are speaking or talking on the phone. Let's look at the verb dormire. This verb ends in ire. This means that the continuous verb becomes endo, not ando. It becomes dormendo, not dormando. The babies are sleeping. I bambini stanno dormendo. Another example is with the verb dire, to tell, to speak, to say, to recite. The continuous verb also ends in endo, which becomes dicendo, not dicendo. Dicendo is the right gerund. Cosa stai dicendo? What are you saying? So let's look at this table. The infinitive verb parlare, which means to speak. The stem is parla. The gerund becomes parlando. Another example is dormire, to sleep. The stem is dorm, and the gerund becomes dormendo. The verb dire, which means to say or to tell, to speak. The stem is dir. The gerund is dicendo. Aspettare, to wait. Aspett. The gerund becomes aspettando. Leggere, which means to read. The gerund becomes leggendo. Capire becomes capendo. Mangiare becomes mangiando. Pensare becomes pensando. Sto scrivendo una lettera a mia nonna. I'm writing a letter to my grandma. These are some exercises for you. What are the continuous tense of these verbs? Rispondere. Tu non stai dash alle mie chiamate. Parlare. Stiamo dash con l'avvocato. Spedire. Sto la tua lettera. Pensare. A chi stai? Mangiare. Tutti stanno. So what are the correct gerunds for these sentences? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I will see you in our next video. Grazie e arrivederci.